Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so you just got home from class, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how's school? Okay ra, kapoy dili.
Kapoy.
Okay, so since some of you were not here when we distributed the snacks and others weren't able to receive their donations earlier, you will receive your donations tonight. Those of you who already received your donations this morning will get the snack you missed from the afternoon. Okay. So, ang snacks is gikan ni Gegom Duri Timjang Nim, and the watermelon salad is from Space Nim. Okay. So, please receive it. Kirai is helping me tonight, since Teacher Rachel is not yet home. Kiray, included na ate. Hatag na tanan ate. Oh, okay. Tagdaduha ate Kiray. Jangan ba sakit?
Ngana ba?
Ana, sunod. Okay, so, tanan ba naka-receive?
Yes.
Okay, so what will you say?
Gegom Duri Nim, Space Nim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, so, now, your donations, 2,000 for Aubrey from Gegom Duri Timjang Nim. Please receive it.
Ako Gegom Duri Nim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, so each one of you will receive 300 pesos. And this 300 pesos is from Kang Nim. Okay, receive it. So, naay tulo ninyo nga, or naay upat ninyo nga magtunga, since walay sinsiyo ang kwarta. So, ang high school na lang ang magtunga ko hati. $200. Okay, so magtunga mong upat ana. Sakto ba? 300 times 4 is?
1,200.
So, kamong upat, magtunga mo na ha. Si Aliyah, si Novi, si Rian, og si Shaira. And the other 300 is for Kian. Please receive it. Na ba? Sakto, 1,200?
Yes.
Okay. So, once again,
Kang Nim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your snacks.
Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo, Sophia. Okay, so late na ka naka-aral kay. Layo kay inyo, right? So, right now, ang imuhang donations imuhang ma-receive. First, kay imuhang snacks. Okay, Coke, mini corn, snack, and watermelon salad. Shh, quiet everyone. So, ang kanang snacks nimo kay gikan na siya ni Gegom Duri Timjang Nim and ni Space Nim. Okay, what will you say? Okay, so this 300 is for you. This is from Kang Nim. Please receive it. 300 pesos. And this 500 pesos is from SJ Nim for your school fee or school supplies fee, okay? Bye-bye!
Annyeonghaseyo, Wensi.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, Wensi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 6 times 9.
54.
6 times 8.
48.
7 times 9.
63.
4 times 4.
16.
4 times 3.
12.
5 times 6.
30.
8 times 5.
40.
2 times 9.
18.
4 times 7.
28.
9 times 5.
45.
7 times 7.
49.
4 times 8.
32.
Okay, Wincy. Thank you. Okay, Wincy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start reading.
Y. 2.
People.
People.
Inconvenient.
Inconvenient. Big umbrellas. Where he invented a folding one that would
Wood. Not old, wood.
fit in a bag.
Okay. Annyeonghaseyo, Clea.
안녕하세요.
Okay, this is my applicant, Clea. Clea, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 6 times 8.
48.
9 times 7.
63.
4 times 4.
16.
3 times 9.
27.
8 times 5.
40.
6 times 6.
36.
6 times 8.
48.
7 times 8.
56.
6 times 7.
42.
3 times 5.
15.
3 times 3.
9.
4 times 9.
36.
4 times 3.
12.
7 times 5.
35.
9 times 5.
45.
Okay. Clea, kulbaan ka? Are you sure? Okay. Okay. Clea, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start reading.
Why do the boys things and then toys try to solve problems handling and
Inconvenient.
inconvenient big umbrellas where he invented a
Folding.
folding one that would fit in a bag.
Okay.
Annyeonghaseyo. So I have here, this is Teacher Jen, and I have here Ayan and Jack with me. They are my level 1 students. So you were actually failed on multiplication test. That was last monthly donation, right? August 2. So Ayan already did write 5 sheets of multiplication, right? 5 times of multiplication. And I haven't interviewed you because you were sick that time. So you were on leave. And Jack was tested by Teacher Vivian. The last visit of Teacher Vivian, I can't recall when, but that was just this month after the monthly donation. And you were again failed on the multiplication. So Teacher Vivian told us that you need to write multiplication again 20 times. So where's your 20 times multiplication? There, it's already 20 times. Okay, so this time around, I'm gonna ask you a multiplication. Okay, so let's start first with Ayan. Okay, 8 times 4,
32.
9 times 5,
45.
7 times 6,
42.
6 times 8,
48.
6 times 3,
18.
okay, 3 times 7,
21.
4 times 4, 7 times 9,
63.
8 times 8,
64.
9 times 3.
27.
Very good. Okay, so let's go to Jack. Are you ready, Jack? Okay. Ayaw lagpas-pas sa og ka ng answer kapreha kang ayan. Nauna sa gyud pag-ayo. Okay. 9 times 7,
63.
9 times 4,
36.
8 times 7,
56.
8 times 3,
24.
okay, and 7 times 7,
49.
7 times 3,
21.
6 times 4,
24.
6 times 8,
48.
3 times 7,
21.
4 times 6.
24.
Okay, are you nervous? Ha? Kuyawan kayo ka kuya-kuya. Si Teacher Jen pa ni. Okay, so Ayan and Jack, thank you so much for coming. So today is Saturday, but you did come here and let me retest you the multiplication. So you already passed the multiplication and always practice multiplication, okay? Okay. Fighting.
Fighting.
Okay, 감사합니다. Bye-bye. Wait ako sila. Wait ako sa grupo. Bye-bye.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so as we move forward with our discussion, which is still figure of speech. Figure of speech, diba? So we're done with
Part of speech.
but we also done with simile and metaphor. So you already knew what's the difference between the two. So we're now proceeding with another figure of speech, which is personification. So please read and then let's discuss.
A figurative language that attributes human characteristics, emotion, and behavior to animals and inanimate object or idea.
So in that case, do you have any idea already regarding with the definition on what is personification? Do you have an idea?
Describe niya murag describe niya ang things kanang mabuhat ra sa person siya nga kanang
Ikaw, Chloe, sakto yung 1 point. In English, please.
So, do you have an idea or no idea? Princess? Like regarding
Behavior sa humans.
in English, what?
Behavior sa human.
English gini. So, behavior of humans in a way. So, what's the meaning of personification is, diba, you know already that things are not moving without touching it. But in personification, they're giving life. So, things have life.